Hello guys, welcome to Edumilestones YouTube channel. This is Abhishek. I'm the marketing manager at Edumilestones and we have with us Mr. Ankit Agrawal. He is the co-founder of Edumilestones and the product director. Welcome Ankit sir.
Thanks Abhishek.
We have just crossed a major milestones. We now have more than 3,000 career counselors across the world. How do you feel about this?
Well Abhishek, we are feeling great. Entire team is super excited. I would like to thank all our 3,000 plus career counselors who are constantly believing on us and who are contributing for this entire ecosystem. See, every achievement comes with a great responsibility. Kind of standards Edumilestones has set in the industry, we want to maintain the same standards going forward. Let me tell you Abhishek, the actual achievement is not to have 3,000 plus career counselors network. But you won't believe, most of these career counselors, if I say more than 80% of these career counselors, they are active. They are active and they are contributing in our platform on day-to-day basis. And this makes us really proud.
Absolutely. Now we have built a lot of functionalities that career counselors are using to grow their career counseling practice. Out of these, what are your top 3 most favorite ones?
Oh, a difficult question. See, we have a lot many unique functionalities in our platform. If you ask me to highlight 2 or 3, it will be really difficult. But still, I'll say first functionality that I really like is a deep analysis, right? If you look at a conventional career assessment or a conventional career report, right, that's limited only to highlight the top recommendation, which career path is suitable, right? But if you look at the Edumilestones assessment, for every student, we do a deep analysis across 300 plus career options and more than 3,000 plus occupations. And all these results are available in each and every report. Career counselor can see all the analysis, all the results of 300 plus career options for each and every candidate in the descending order. Now this empowers career counselors to answer all the questions. Now sometimes what happens, it is important to communicate which career path is suitable for the student and why it's suitable. But equally it is important to communicate which career path is not suitable and why it's not suitable. Now thanks to a deep analysis technology, right, now career counselors can give all the answers. If a student is asking for any particular career path, career counselor can generate that report and can explain to the student why suitable or why not suitable. So what I am saying, for every analysis, right, career counselor can generate unlimited report of a same candidate. That's one of the top most functionality we have under Edumilestones platform. Second thing I'll highlight is a multiple dimensional career assessment. See, we have lot many assessments. These assessments start from 5th class and it goes up to the working professional. We use a multiple dimensional career assessment methodology. If you look at our assessments up to the 12th standard, you will find 5-dimensional assessment. And if you look at the professionals assessment or if you look at the graduates assessment, you will find a 6-dimensional career assessment. So it means we do a 360-degree analysis for each and every student. We use multiple psychometric theories, multiple dimensions for the analysis so that we offer a great reliability and accuracy for each and every report, right? This is the second most important functionality what we have. Third and most important thing is the support system. See, whatever developments we do in terms of the technology, right, that's limited to the backend. When I talk about from the counselor's point of view, they need excellent support, right? So kind of a support system Edumilestones has created, right, that's unmatchable. Anytime career counselors can reach to our support desk and our support desk is fully empowered to solve any of your queries there and there itself. And our ratings, if you go and look at our rating, that proves that we have a very, very strong support system. So I'll say these are the top 3 functionalities what we have. One is a deep analysis, second is a multiple dimensional career assessment, and third is our support ecosystem.
In fact, these functionalities gets highlighted in our reviews. But one more thing people want to know about are initiatives. So what are some new initiatives from our company that our viewers must know about?
See, we have taken many initiatives in recent past. Okay, I'll highlight few of the initiatives to you, Abhishek. First and most important initiative is Career Counselling Near Me. Now this is an interface that we launched around 3 years back and we got a very good response. Now what we have done under Career Counselling Near Me interface is, whatever career counselors we have in our platform, we have brought under this interface. Now if any student is looking for the career counseling near to their location, they can visit to Edumilestones website, or student can visit any of our network counselors website, right? They can search their location, they can see all the career counselors available near to their location, available for providing the career counseling. Student can either book the appointment, they can request for callback, they can place any kind of a message to these counselors, and straight away student can connect with the counselors and get their counseling done near to their place. Now since we have launched, we have got a huge response. You won't believe it, on daily basis lot many appointments are confirmed in Edumilestones website. Now through this interface we have created kind of an ecosystem where we have brought all these students, these counselors under one interface, and seamlessly they can do the transactions using our platform. So this is one really a great initiative we have taken recently. Second initiative I'll say is a career booster. Now Abhishek, if you look at career counseling as an industry is evolving, right? If you ask me around 5 years back, career assessment was considered as a complete solution, but now students are looking more and more solutions. Now it's not only limited to the career assessment. A student needs a counselor who can manage their entire education and career life cycle. Students need more and more solutions. Now when students expect more and more solutions, then from Edumilestones side we need to offer more solutions to the students so that they don't need to go to multiple places to avail these services. So under this Career Boosters initiative, what we have done tie-up with India's leading companies like Manipal, like Immerse, like Whitehead Junior, like Sporzo, like I Love Mondays, and we have brought some exclusive programs, okay, in our platform. We have integrated some exclusive courses in our platform. Now whether student needs a virtual internship, whether student needs some upskilling kind of a courses, whether student needs some study abroad guidance, or whatever solution student is looking at, all these solutions are available across our counselors platform, right? So we have made it very simple. Now students don't need to visit to multiple sites, they can only visit to our counselors site. All these platforms and more than these platforms we have integrated to a single platform. Now after providing the assessment and after conducting the counseling, counselors can offer multiple solutions to the student. This is called a Career Boosters, and this is a great initiative we have taken recently. Third thing is, now Edumilestones is not limited only to India. Now from last year, right, if you look at, we have increased our presence in multiple countries. Now we are present in South Africa, we are present in Kenya, Nigeria, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and multiple places we are present. So kind of an ecosystem we have created. The same ecosystem now we are planning to replicate to other countries as well, and we will use their nomenclature. We will provide solutions as per their standards. So now Edumilestones is a global company, and going forward we will be keep on increasing our presence across multiple companies, multiple countries. So these are the three initiatives we have taken in the recent past.
Now the career counseling industry is growing rapidly. More and more people want to become career counselors. So what are some of your tips or advice for aspiring career counselors?
See, I'll say, Abhishek, this is really a great industry. India need a huge amount of counselors. We have already a shortage of the career counselors. See, when we started around 10 years back, this concept was very new. Nobody was knowing about the career counseling. But today in India, this industry is growing rapidly. Many schools have made career counseling as a mandatory. There are lot many counselors, or there are lot many professionals from a different industry, right? They want to become a career counselor, right? So certainly, if you are passionate to serve to the society, if you are passionate to offer the career related solutions to the student, this is the right industry for you. And Edumilestones is here to help you out in all the manners. See, the objective to launch this channel is to provide as much as information possible to the aspiring career counselors. Not necessary you need to do any kind of a course, not necessary upfront you need to have some kind of assessment. If you're very new and if you're just following our channel, I'm sure you will get lot many insights. And once you're sure this is the perfect industry for you, or this is the industry where you can contribute, then you can avail the multiple solutions offered by Edumilestones or some other company, right? But this is a very good industry, and I strongly suggest, if you are passionate to serve for these students, this is the right industry for all of you. Thank you.
Now, for those of you who want to become career counselors, we have made a separate playlist for known as Career Counselor Knowledge Series. You can find the link for it in the description box and click that to watch those videos. Thank you so much for answering our questions, Ankit sir.
Anytime, Abhishek.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the Edumilestones YouTube channel for more informative videos. Thank you.
Thank you.